Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to LKCloudTech. Yeah, yeah. This is session 3, Tricentis Tosca automation. So earlier we have discussed about this previous class related to login. So user login and related. And we have seen how to open workspace, how to create a workspace and all. And now we are going to discuss, and also we have discussed about all the all sections and ribbons and menu bar details page and everything. So we have in detail we have discussed about that. So today we are going to discuss about registration, user registration and properties. As I said yesterday, we'll talk about properties in short. Okay, let me share. Okay, this is so I have I have shown you all these things yesterday. So we'll discuss about this today. Okay, let us start. So let's open Tricentis Tosca, Tosca Commander. This is Tosca Commander. Let it open. Okay, so this is opened. This is Tosca Commander view. So yesterday what was the name we mentioned yesterday? I think yesterday's one is this is previous projects. Okay, we can open. Yesterday we have seen that how to open new workspace, how to create a new workspace. We need to go inside project and you need to click on new. Okay, but if it is already existed project, already existed workspace, simply click on the name of the workspace. Clearly click on, just click on here, just simply click on here. So automatically it will open whenever you clicked on it. Okay, so this related to all these things you know already. I'm also explaining you once again. So this is yeah, so you know all these sections you need to know. This is a tree view, this is tree view, and this is detailed view, and this one, this part you can see, right? This part you can consider menu bar, and this small part you can see the title. So this name is you can call this name as title bar. This is title bar, this is menu bar. What remaining all those things, all items you see here, these are called as ribbons. Okay, so these you can see in Excel, Word and PowerPoint also. Okay, so menus, you see, so this is also called ribbons in Excel. So these are all not new names, new terminology. This is old terminology also only, not a big deal. So you can remember all these things. All right, next step. So Let's open today. Let me remove this. Okay, let's discuss. Will today what we're gonna do is, mm, yeah, I think, yeah, I will take a new. This is related to open link. Okay, login related all these things. Okay, so now what I have to do is I will take a new slide. So let us write here. Excuse. Okay. Okay, let us clearly write here what are the steps we're gonna do. So what we are doing is today, so we are working on registration. Okay, registration test case. Okay, registration test case. Okay, so this is our title. I can take this as red color better. Okay, so these test cases we will write here. I can make this is different color, better bold one I want. So what are the steps we have to do? So yesterday we have seen that some, I think this is yesterday's one. You see these steps, out of which some of the steps we will reuse it. Okay, so these steps we have done for login. Okay, so for registration we will see different steps. Okay, for registration steps what we have to do is let me take this. Let me make it bold bit. Okay, so the first step is I just need to, this is open URL. Let me keep this as usual and wait for 10 seconds. This is timer, I mean T box wait. And the other one is click on the register. Click on the register link. Okay, registration link. Register, right? Okay, register link. Spelling wrong. Okay, next one is we need to enter the registration details. Okay, need to enter the registration details. Okay, details. Okay, the next one is click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Okay, next to click on logout. Logout. The last one is close the browser. Close the browser. Okay, so these steps we need to follow. Okay, I will show you. I just taken a reference of the previous one only. So this is our demo website, web shop page. So I just earlier we have logged in. So using this control. So today we are going to use this control, register control. Okay, let us see how to register Tosca itself whenever we do automation. How to do automation? What are the steps we need to follow? Okay, in module first we'll create a folder in root folder. So let us go. You can save this and let me go inside. So these are test cases, yesterday's test cases. You clear? So the same way, what we're gonna is just right click on this main module. I mean main yeah, main folder. So on top of this, just right click on it and just simply click on this folder. So now you'll get a new folder. Okay, this you can consider, you can write here user registration like that. Yeah, user registration. Okay, registration. Don't worry about spellings, not a big deal. You just click. Inside this folder, we need to create a next step. Important step is we need to create the test case. If you want to create the test case, just click on uh, this color, light blue, I guess. This is some name is there, but I forgot. Anyways, so it uses a circle, off circle, kind of circle and arrow. So this kind of symbol is called test case creation, for test case creation. Just click on this. This is the test case, main test case. You can give the name is as usual, not a big deal. So yeah, you can give it. And if you want to rename it, you can use this button also. The symbol is there, right? Pen symbol, you can do it. Or else you can use F2. Windows commands will work. All right. So the same thing you also do in the modules also, module section. So on top root folder, I'm just creating one kind of folder. Make this name as user registration module. Okay. And I just made it ready. Just I'll keep it. Whatever you do, I'll do it here. Okay, let me do it. Okay. So just that's it now. So first initial step is according to our test case plan. Okay. This is manual test case. According to manual test case list, test sheet you can consider. Okay. Manual test sheet. Okay, so according to manual test sheet only you are going to follow. All right, the first step is open URL. Okay, first step is open URL. Okay, so already we have already standard modules, is it correct? So automation tools and tbox engines. In this you can see the HTML, hypertext markup language, this HTML link, whatever the links are there, that is standard module already there. Tosca has given this as a default standard modules, you can consider this. And you just need to drag and drop here. The first step is open URL. So this, what is a URL? This says a your URL. So you can also copy from here. Okay. You just need to click on this logo. Just simply copy it from the main browser, which is live. Yes, just simply paste here. Just see here, these are all attributes. So in the attributes itself, you can give, or else if you want, you can give here. That's it. Done. Done. Right. Next, open URL done. Save it. Control S. Or else if you want to save, you can save here. This button. You can see top of the top left corner. All right. The next step is we need to wait 10 seconds. Okay. So for that, in modules, go to standard modules. Okay. In standard modules, you can see the timing. In this, tbox wait is there. Just click on this icon and drag, simply drop here. Where you need to drop on this user registration test case, not here, not here, not anywhere, other different places also, the other space also. Here on top of this test case you can drag, drop here. So this is tbox wait. How much you need to keep tbox wait? How much? 10 seconds, right? 10 seconds in the sense Tosca will consider only milliseconds. 10,000 milliseconds called as 10 seconds. Okay, save this. Next, the next step is let me go and check. Click on registration link. So now this is important step. You need to focus and here. If you want to click on registration link here, so you do not have any modules here, predefined modules, which is not providing by Tosca. So you don't have modules. What you will do? You need to scan. Okay. If you don't have any modules existed, then you need to create, how you have to create user defined modules. You are scanning and you are making it ready. That's the reason it is called as a user defined module. Okay. So now, so let me do one thing. I will scan here application. Just it will go to the browser. Okay. See this? There are lot of files opened, but out of this, which you need to choose the browser thing. Where is the browser? Here it is. You can see. Just select it and scan. Got it? Select it and scan. That's great. Now, now what you have to do is you just click on this register. See this register is right. This register. So you just simply click on top of this register only. Don't click anywhere outside. Okay. Click on this register. We can call it as a control. Click on this register control. You need to check with here. Okay. Just check here. This is selected item is unique. You have to observe this. Okay, let me drag and make it here. Okay, I hope you can see this here. The bottom of this scanning box. Okay, scanning box. You can see the selected item is unique. If you see it without any hesitation, without any second thought, just simply finish it screen and close it. But if you find anything wrong here, not unique, you need to make it unique by using properties. After finishing this registration steps, we will go and see the properties. What are the properties? As I said yesterday, right? After finishing this, we'll go. So let's finish the scan and close. Now you will immediately go to the modules. Yeah, here it is, modules. You can see this. Oh my goodness, I forgot to mention the name. That is a big mistake. So let us delete. You can also rename here, but thing is that is not good practice. So that I don't recommend you to do is, again you scan this, you have to do it by there itself. You have to do it there immediately. So that's what I recommend. So that's why I'm again scanning. So let us scan the register control again. So yes, scan, go to register control, just wait for until it's done. Until wait it. Yes, I think it's get ready. Yeah. Click on controls in your application to add them. Yes, click on this register. Yes. And also now you need to change here the name. What is the name? This is registration, user registration control. I'll keep my own name, not a big deal, nobody will ask you. Okay, and close. Now go and check the module. Yes, you got it right. The same modules, they with the same name, you got it. Just drag and drop here on top of user registration. Just click here. That's it. Dropped. Okay. Now, okay, you got this. Now you need to see the attributes. This is in this what you need to do. You just need to here the drop down you can see. Just click on the drop down and click here, because why you are doing this means in the browser itself we are clicking on top of register. Okay, that is the reason we are telling Tosca to click here. Just go and click. That's why we are actually giving input. Okay, next. Yes, next. This is these are all registered details are there, right? So you need to do it. You have to scan these modules also. You need to scan all the fields, because so you have to that Tosca need to do that, right? Your Tosca doesn't know what details. That is the reason you have to scan these modules also. Okay, let me go to modules. I will try to create here. I'll try to right click, scan application. Okay, now, yeah, I think, yeah, this is right. Web browser, just scan it. Yes, just click on mail. Let it wait. Just let it come. So click on mail, click on female, click on first name, click on last name, and email, password, confirmation password, register. So once you click on this, you can able to see here the item, selected item is unique. Then there is no any issue with this all the fields. So then just see, you need to, this is really good practice to give here name. So you can keep here user, the title, I'm just giving title, user registration details. That's it. Okay, and finish the screen and close it. So need to go back to the module. Yeah, this is a module. See user registration details. Now I'm just, oh yeah, before going to do, yes, let me do one thing. So I will drag it down. Okay, let's go, let's drag it and drop it on top of your test case. Yes, I've done. Now you just need to go inside. So there are a lot of fields are there: male field, female field, first name, last name, email, password, confirmation password, register. Everything looks good, but thing is, you see here male and female are two different fields. Then Tosca will confuse here or this, but thing is you have to make this as one. You can make it a drop down. For that, how to make the drop down, this is important point. Okay, how to make the drop down, in the sense you just need to select here. Okay, both, just select both, right click and group it, convert to control group. Okay, so now you see, just give a name here. Okay, this is, you can consider this as a gender. Oh, that's it. All right, let's go back to test case. You can see automatically it has converted. So now click on here, you see drop down here, this is drop down, and you can see M and F, right? M means female, F means F. Yes please. Hello. Yes, tell me. Ping me the message. Okay, you just select here male or female. I can select here male. Okay, I just want to give Lokesh. Next, last name is, I can keep here last name is Kumar, and email is LKCloudTech 1@gmail.com. Okay, and password is 1234567 8 something. Okay, and 1234567 8. If you want to change this password type also, you can do it. Now it is looks like password. If you want to make it string, you can do it. Not a big deal. Okay, next you need to click on a register button. So that's why you just need to keep here. All right, that's great. So now, oh, this is done, right? Enter user registration details. Next you need to click on continue. Next step is that. Okay, this is done. So once after register here, you just with the same details, you just keep same Lokesh and Kumar, and email address LKCloudTech1 at gmail.com. Yeah, and password 1234567 8. This is wrong password, 1234567 8. Yeah, this is the one. So now register, your register must be get successful. Okay, see here. Yeah, your registration completed. You can see with the email ID, my email ID. Okay, so now what you have to do, you need to, after finishing this, whenever it is registered, clicked on register button, it will get this window. Okay, so then Tosca need to continue this again. We need to scan this module. Okay, this control, this box. Okay, button, you can say this is a button, technical word is button. Okay, so for that also we need to scan. So simply we just need to click on scan button. Against application, click on application, it will open Mozilla Firefox, let it open. Okay, so now yeah, scan this. Yeah, now click on this continue button. You got continue, right? Okay, let me click on this continue button. Oh, what is this? Continue. I think this name is not taken properly. Yeah, registration continue. Okay, I'm just keeping this name. Also, I'm finish and close. The same module you can able to see here. Registration continue. Just simply drag. Don't click here. It will rename it. So it will open like this. This is editable. So that's the reason what you have to do is just simply click on this icon. Simply drag and drop on test case. Okay. So continue button. You just need to click on again. So you need to make this click. Okay. So after this, again we need to go and check. Continue button we have done. Next one is click on logout. Yeah. So we will do this also. So I think for this also, this is also user defined module. So that's the reason I just need to scan the scan application. This it will navigate automatically. It will redirect to respective page. Yeah, scan, open. One sec. Let me close this. So let me open this. Okay, so let me again rescan. Scan. It's not rescan. I'm just doing the same scan again. All right. So it is opening. You scan it. Now you just click on just this control, logout control. You see logout control? Click on here. Okay, registration logout. Make it as a meaningful name. Registration logout. Okay, and close, finish, and close. That's it. So automatically model you will get. So the same one. Simply drag and drop here on top of your test case. You got it right? This is logout. See, logout is also button. It's a control, so it will click on this. That's great. Next one is, let us go and check. Close the browser. Okay. What is close the browser? If you want to close the browser, you may have, I think you have a module. Okay. So let me go to, let us go to standard modules. This is a module. I think standard modules. I think where is that? Yeah, you can see this under this HTML itself. There is a actually standard module. Just this standard module, just simply drag and drop on top of your test case. Just close the browser. Okay, just close the browser. That's it. Yeah, which browser? It is asked. This will ask. This is again a logical question. What it has to close the browser, which browser it has to close. You need to give the name of the browser. title of browser. What is the name of the browser? You see here, Demo Webshop. See this Demo Webshop. This browser, it has to close, right? So demo, just need to type this in this here title, Demo Web Shop. Case sensitive because it will check with that title itself. Demo Web Shop. It will check with the which. What it will ask something like this. I'll tell you one more thing. Let me log out this. Okay. It will ask that. So for suppose this is actually home page login. Also for suppose. Okay. You logged in with the home page. Okay. And also you just go inside after login this also. Maybe LKCloudTech 1@gmail.com and you give the password. Okay, you log in, right? Unsuccessful. Please correct gmail.com. Oh, this is not successful. Okay. Oh, registration details may be wrong. Okay, so register this. Yes, registration completed. Okay, so yes, continue. So this is your home page. Okay, in this home page, so where are you? This currently you are in home page, correct? For suppose somewhere in computers, I'll go in computers. Now where you are? This is not your home page. You are somewhere in other module called computer. So other controllers. You clicked on other controller books. Now it is now you are in books, right? Now if for suppose if you want to log out also, first if you take control log out, so does it go and click on logout? Yes, it will go and try to click on logout, but thing is it could not log out because you are in different page. Whatever you do, whatever the operation you want to do, whatever the functionality you want to do, you just need to open that when Tosca want to do it. Okay. Alright. So yeah. Next let me log out. Okay. Right. So I just need to, if for example this is home page of the name of title of home page is Demo Website Web Shop. So I just need to give this name. Okay. So then Tosca can able to understand this. Alright, that's fine. Open URL tbox registration, that's okay. Continue and okay. Let's try. Okay, so let me try this. Okay, but thing is we have done some mistake. So actually in registration I have given LKCloudTech 2 just now. I changed because that was not working fine. That's the reason I just registered with the new. Okay. Okay. Also, yeah, I'll also do with the 3. Let's try with the 3. Okay. Because I need to give the new, right? So let us try. With these details, does it really work or not? Let us try. Let me save and try to run the test case. Okay, let us see. Now it started. Yeah, it is open. Oh, again, this is a mistake. 2 websites are there. So let me close this then. Yeah. So you must ensure that one website should be open only once. It should not confuse. See, automatically it's entering. So it will click on continue and again it will log out and it will close the browser. Yes, done. Successfully done. So these steps completely we satisfied all these things. Completely successfully we have done all the steps, manual test cases. Okay, so next topic would be, this is really great point, right? Awesome. So note one small note for you guys. If you want to same test case, um, is it will run it again? One question for you. Okay, for example, I have a test case. So this test case, if I want to run it again, does it really click say the same way? So what kind of error will get, or what kind of result will get? Can you let me know? If you know, just comment in comments box. Okay, so I will tell you, because I just want to tell you. So here, if you try to re-execute this, run the scratch book, what happens is, already whatever details which we have given, registration detail, it has taken. Okay, but it is already registered with this email id. If you do it again second time, the Tosca will think that you are trying to give with a new email id, but it is already existed, right? So let us try to run. See, let's see. Okay, see, it is open. It doesn't perform any action, it will fail. Test case got failed. Yes, it should fail. Okay, see, let's see the result. You see this user registration. So let's see what happened here. I think why, because more than one matching. I think it's already we have registered. And again, let's do one thing. Let us try with the 4. Okay, this is different email id. Let us see whether this will work or not. Let me close this and I'll log out this, and I'll close this. Okay, let me try to run this now. Save this, and try to run this. So it will open the browser, and it will click on the register, and it will wait for 10 seconds. Okay, that is mandatory step. T box wait is for open the browser, and we are giving time to understand the Tosca. So it is giving complete with new details. LKCloudTech 4. So it will click on continue and log out and closed. Browser also closed. See the test case result. So all got, your test case result is successfully done. Okay, if you want to print out, you can print out this also. Okay, all right, let me close this. And if you do it again, so run the scratchbook again. So see this, it's open. Okay, just open, that's it. No registration, there is no registration. Okay, let me do one thing. So once after fail this test case, I'll try to log out and try again. So test case got failed. See this? Yeah, test case got failed. Okay, this is what. Again logged out. So let's try now. Let's try now. Try again. Run the scratchbook. It's open. It is trying to take time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Register. It is trying to enter with the same details. Register. Yeah, see this? The specified email already exists. Okay, then this test case will get failed. Okay, test case will get failed. The execution result. So I hope this is, it's getting bottom. The result is, you see, I think it's not shown anything, but registration got failed because the error you could see here, because the specified email already exists. It tried to enter, but thing is that all email already present in their database. That's why it is not taking. Okay, one more question. If I want to run this, could I able to run individual test case? Yes, you can run it. You can run this. Open URL. Yes, it will open. Yes, it is open in different browser. You see, test case got succeeded. You see this? Yeah, test case got succeeded, green color and right mark. If you want to do it, yes, you can do it individually. If you want to do it some of these, you can select like this and you can run like this. This is how we can do. Got it? This is okay. And so this is one more important point. This is interview question also. Whenever you want to run the test case, always you need to close the browser and you need to execute it. You need to run the scratch box. Okay. Whenever you want to try to run scratchbook, you need to close the browser first. You need to close all the tabs related to this, and after that you need to start executing this. All right. So this is one point, important point. All right. Next, I'll also let you know some of the important terminologies. Let me keep, and I'll show you here. So this register is there, right? This register is, this is a hyperlink, or you can consider if you click here, automatically it will redirect to one different page which is called as register. It's kind of hyperlink. Okay, so this is a hyperlink. If you click this, it will redirect to other page. Okay, next, for example, if it is this search, okay, for suppose if it is search, what is this search? Search is a button. Okay, you can search here something, a word. Okay, and here, what is this box? Something like this, a b c d f g something. This is called as text box. This blue color highlighted box is text box. This is search button. Okay, you see here, search. I have given something, I will give book and search. Okay, see, it is searching some books. Okay, it is search, but the point is not what it is searching. This is a button. I'm just letting you know that this is a button. If somebody does not know, please try to focus on this. Okay, and next, let's go back to home page. Here you can find this dot circles, right? This is called as radio buttons. Okay, if you click on one button, so which means the radio button, you can select only one option out of four. That means you are selecting one radio button, means one option you are selecting. That's what. Okay, so next, next. Mm, 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 mm. Any other books and cart, shopping cart, nothing, wish list, login. Okay. Okay, so these are all, I hope you understood. Next, gift cards. So you see these guys, this is the one. So this V shape one is called as drop down. Okay, this is drop down. Okay, if there is something like square box and you need to click on that, so right mark you will get, that is called as checkbox. So these are all terminologies, keep in mind. That's it for today. I think this is enough. So next class we'll talk about modules. What is module, what is happening, what background, what is these things we are talking about. Next class we are going to discuss about modules, means this is all modules, right? So what is happening background with the test case, how the test case is connecting with modules, what is happening behind this, and how the Tosca is recognizing your controls. So all these controls, how it is clicking itself, so we'll learn about that also. And according to our syllabus, so we'll discuss about all these requirements, test cases, modules section. Yeah, we have done this. Okay, and this registration login done this, and we'll talk about this also, properties, index properties, anchor property, images. So all this identification properties related. Okay, yeah, let's discuss about this tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you enjoy this class, if you understood this class, please try to like and share my channel, so it really helps me a lot. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video.